Hmm. Okay, we are online. I had the problem with the microphone a few minutes ago, and it's fixed and tested. And oh boy, I noticed I have few videos that I made when I had a break, and they are huge, like 8 giga for two videos, and one of them is 50 megabyte. Seems it's a mistake. I couldn't delete it. I mean, Jesus Christ. So 15 giga for four videos. Gee. And I'm not active in my game channel. I made these when I had a break, which I didn't have for more than a year. And I uploaded some and delete them, but these ones it seems I didn't upload or something. This one need editing, and that's why I just like eh. And this one didn't end well, so I don't feel like uploading it. Anyway, this is the Raw Gaming channel, so screw this video, screw these videos. So I finished dealing with the save and load for macros, but coding is just like bump roads. Whenever you have a bug and you're not certain what to do, you need to get the car back a little bit more, and a little bit more, and dig and see what the fudge is going on so you can proceed. And after you finish that, you don't feel satisfied. You will feel the bump on the car tires. It just you will feel the weight of the car with that bump. It just the higher the bump, the more annoying to pass it. Is it fun? No, but it's part of moving on life on the road or something. On the road again, as he said. We are on the fucking road again. So I haven't made the scuba code. I need to open them and take a look. Where did I put them? Here is the component. Did I mix the component with the code? There's no way. I cannot find the code. Screw it. Let's go and take a look through this. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, list cube is. Wait. Eh? Maybe he called it cube list. So this is a very good way to start the timer and start the coding, because you can see how bullish and foolish and doolish and toolish am I. I mean, I made the classes like 2 days ago. How did I forget? Where did I put them? There's no way I put them in these folders. It doesn't make sense. These are the images. Guess I mixed the code. It seems I mixed the code, so let's see. Yep. Anyway, I wonder if this will make some kind of issues later on. Um, hmm. But I mean, they are the same folder, but it doesn't mean it's the same thing. This is a class, and that thing is a partial class as a component. So, no, no, think like a programmer. So what's the issue? The issue is this guy have items, and And the funny part is, I should be able to solve it even without looking at the code. When I add an item, I add it as a list view item. And the item itself, this guy, is a list view item. And we want to access it. The thing is, for some reason, it didn't want to work in a normal way. So when we load the cap, the code was like this, but it didn't want to work for some reason. Um, and I was already exhausted. Let's play some music. Oh yeah, my last video has been copyrighted. So hooray. You really like to fuck with me. So this is a list view item, right? Alright. Is it text or something? Like the yeah. Yeah, maybe. Let's take a look. Waiting. Loading. Please wait. Okay, so as you can see, it loads, and here it shows the terms. Here it shows the code, the script list. But here, when I click on it, oh, now it's working. So can I add another category? What happened the second time? When you selected, something funny happened here. I'm looking at this code and trying to figure out why. Maybe it needs a refresh at the end. Is there a refresh? If I'm famous in YouTube, they might call me the Pokemon programmer or something. I will start the coding with this when I code online. And I should stop scratching my head. But I can't dig it. No, it collapsed for some reason. No idea why it collapsed when I add an item. It's not a big issue. Now we are done with this. We have to. Do the magic. Let's close all the pages that I don't need. So here is the most difficult part I need to deal with. I need, whenever I select one of these guys, I need to list all the terms wizard or whatever. And to be honest, one of the things that make me use Notepad instead of this is the font is a little bit bigger. So let's make this guy a little bit bigger. I wish if there's a bigger page for it. Maybe when I collapse this, I can give more space to this. We will see. First of all, we need to add a handler to JLC. Did you see that? So I need to find the event name. Great. Group list selected maybe? I could open the code and check, but yeah, open the fucking code and check. It should be part of this, right? Right? I mean, it's the master control. So here is control add, single item only expansion. Noob, noob, noob. The code is not here. You idiot. You idiot. No, wait a second. There's no delegate for that either. um, hmm. Maybe he just made an event for it without a handler. Can you? I mean, you can override it in that case. No? Gee, I programmed for more than 10 years. I'm still not sure about these things. Yeah. So what? No one said I'm the greatest programmer in the world or whatever. I'm just a programmer. A bad one, actually. But oh well. List group item event args. I can't even focus. My head is not in the game. That's why I started the video, actually. This is actually a class that deal with the item collection, which are list view item collection. Great. Jesus. What the hell is this? Really? Really? This is first for me. I should do that in my menu component, eh? Not bad deal, not bad deal. Just add and remove. Hello? Wait a second, if it is a list view item collection, can I access their own event? It's a fucking private. Do you see this shit? Is this like returning a clone instead of a reference? I've never seen that again before. That could save me a lot of crap if I knew there's a way to do such a thing. Yeah. Let me check the list for you. Actually, no, I was doing the wrong thing. Actually, no, yeah. This is a problem. It's a collection of objects, but it doesn't have direct control on them because you create these objects from the fly. So each list view, each group list, I mean, list group has its own features. This is what's confused me the most. So actually, if I made some kind of a wrapper on creating them every time, it will solve the problem. So instead of doing this, I should do actually a wrapper to depends on adding and removing them instead of fixing the code from the loading and in here. Kabish, Kapsa. I need to stop scratching my head before I get my fingernails to my skull. Um, just a little bit scratch, everything. Okay. So what we're going to do is I'm going to fix the code in two sides. Fuck it. For now, just fuck it. Well, you could access the thing in this way. So item. No, it has no events. Darn it. The thing is, I feel this problem is so freaking easy, and yet I'm failing in a horrible way. Uh, no, the SLN. Dang it. Oh, okay. Okay. Where's the LG? The LG is not created in here. It's created in a category, isn't it? Oh, hello. So I already did it. 20 minutes. Flight for nothing. I already did it. Silly me. Silly fucking me. So here we need to let me make a test. I didn't write text or to string or actually it is the first sub item as well, isn't it? Okay. Yeah. Okay, calm down. How much I hate myself. How much I hate myself. Vocally. How much I hate this couch collector. How much I hate this process. How much I hate this good none. But everything in life sucks. Perfecto. So both of them works. So this is the name of the micro. So through this we could access the micro in the script micro. This guy. And this guy is the ID and the script. My print cache is 2 kilobyte. I'm sorry. I just MS Micro. So the first one is the script, and the script is this one, and the script contains the signature, and we want the signatures. So we do for each string. Yeah, SMS, whatever. Okay, happy. And TM value. So here we go through each script. Why are you not happy? What did I do wrong? Oh, this is only one micro. But the micro. Wait. Doesn't the category hold more than yeah. When you select a category, you select. No. I'm selecting a micro. Oh wait, this is the name of the micro. I'm fucked. Why not? Doesn't the micro have more than one script? I'm confused. Congratulations. I made a big fucked up. Let's go back a little bit. Or maybe I just misunderstood my perfect coding. What the hell is this? Anyway, calm down. I hate this crap. This is supposed to help me to work easier. Look at this shit. So see here, micro. This is the number. Ah! Okay. See, to move on with everything. So when I click on this, uh-oh. That doesn't make sense, does it? Then when it loaded, deconstructed as well. So we don't have more than one script, we just have one fucking script, isn't it? See, that's the problem when I do smart codes like this. Oh, I hate this shit. Now I need to delete it from the designer as well. Now we need to flash. Select this. Yep. So just a trick. We only have one string. We don't save it as several scripts. We don't give a fuck about that. So unfortunately, we need to do the same thing whenever we do that. Unfortunately, the name of the scripts is the same keyword of the first word of the scripts, which can make troubles by we cannot use the overloads. Unless if I go around that as well to check all possibilities and crap, then it will become a complete parser. Jesus. Why did I do that? Because it sounds like the easiest way to do it. Well, better to complete the shit. So we need to do something similar to this, but instead of adding to the list, we add a component. So C micro. So let's bookmark this sucker. So instead of using for each, we're going to use while. So we don't have a tag. We have tm value, and we need to initialize int k. I have an issue with optional values, and I need to avoid it somehow because I'm using them in my code, and I would use them in my micros as well. So I'm actually thinking, how the hell are you going to avoid that? Number one, number two. Each loop of these should add all the components. So I wonder. So it depends on the scripts. We could go through all the terms. And here, I might need to add a flag to the term if it is optional or not. And this is the issue. I don't want to. So maybe I can consider it on default that all terms are optional. So the first step is we need to locate the scripts from the file by using SMAR. Is that name familiar? Um. Fuck my names. Yeah, it's called script marker. Actually, it would be safer if I just made string tag is equal to this. What have I? So now we have the tag, and then int z is equal to 0, and then we take the tag z. So this is the first keyword. We now have the script micro, and now with the script micro we can take the signatures. For each VSP, VK, and PSM signatures, here is the whole game. Here is the whole game what we played. So what is a button? A button is a menu component. We don't want a button, we want a text box. So if we go for the text box, just to make sure, let's Google it. I'm sorry if I'm half dead because my energy is half dead. C# text box. It's a menu component. It's component, right? Here we will see the power of OOP if the page gets open first. So it's a forum. Really? No, it's a control. I mean, you already made a control, but you're trying to make sure what kind of so we can do no, make it belong to the microforms. Okay. Yeah, control. So every time we but the problem sorry sorry. Oh, come on. Clear. No, it's one control. You fucking idiot. I'm not sure if this will work, like deleting the controls array while you're looking at them. So if I'm going to microforum design, oh yeah, you need to open this and open it like that. So something like that. But this is can work as a reference, isn't it? So we will mimic something like that. So switch vk type zata type I love you and you love me and everyone is happy like no. You do it with a style. Style. It didn't print. I copy this. I erase this. Okay. Oh, told you to complete it. Programming, everyone. Cannot go dirtier than this. Alright. So let's try to add a combo box. Combo box. Target control is equal to new combo box. DC items add. So the tokens. Now this is a new problem. Well, use the campaign tokens. Does the campaign have... Where do I define tokens in the first place? Yeah, again, I need to dig back. Oh, great. Well, I could add more than one tool. It doesn't have to be one tool only. The problem is the height and the top as well. We will deal with that soon. Oh man. Are you telling me you need to add a campaign? I could add a universal campaign and a universal game file. Well, actually the whole thing doesn't work unless if the game file is loaded, thanks God. But we need to know which campaign we are talking about and which conversation we are talking about. I need to jack myself somehow. I need to lift myself. I need to wake up, dang it. I'm alert but not awake. I'm bad at describing it. I'm not in the game, definitely not in the game. But I'm trying. Let's take a look on the list, shall we? The thing is, the micro crap is can work for both. Actually, it can it can work either for the game file or the campaign, or, and this will sound weird, to the game project. But Eli, wait, I'm not Eli. But Cookie Slayer doesn't work like but Eli. Cookie Slayer is just too long name to put it in one liner. Each project game will have one game file, right? Right, but it doesn't mean that I cannot have more than one game project that run with the same game file and have its own features in it. Oh my god. Even though the campaign itself have the data to run these features, but the support for the features is in the game file, not in the game file, the game project. Very lovely, isn't it? Oh god. So I'm thinking an easy way to solve all these issues. Apparently, I must be selecting the game file, which has already been selected, and the campaign, because each game have more than one campaigns. Because I don't want to have 400 scroll bars and combo boxes for each term in here. So I want a universal one. Hey, Jesus, but no. If I do that, how can I refill them again? There are... Maybe if I change the combo box for the campaign, I must reselect the group list, and that means I must deselect it after I change it. Yeah, I can do that. Because I could solve the problem by showing by updating the values, but that means I need to memorize what's the type of the term when I create the combo box. And apparently I need the label as well, don't I? And I need the keyword. Let me think for a second. Maybe I need to separate the controls, one for the label and one for the combo box, so I can immediately, or unless if I ignore the labels every time. I haven't considered this in the right way, did I? going to steal this. I better not only load it with all the campaigns, but select the campaigns as well if the one is selected from the previous page. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm scratching my head for 30 minutes. Fix my skin disease. It just whenever I get in this state, I can't stop scratching. It just annoying, really annoying. Um, yeah, I'll take a break. Keep scratching my head in somewhere else. Um, this is the worst ever. Stream. Just I'm not sure about anything. Oh, this is the other timer. Okay, switch. Be right back. I took more than 15 minutes? No wonder no one watching my videos. Sorry about that, whoever watching. Oh wow. How long did it take? I don't know. I wanna run away. But let's try to do this and then I'll run away. So what we're going to do, we are going to load the script. No, this is the file. I wonder. Yeah, we can connect the combo box with data collection. And instead of selecting it every time, we could do fixed collections and see how this will work. But who refilled the sucker? It's the same code, but I'm just trying to be careful. It would be nice if I auto-select it from whenever I open it somehow. One of the ways is by using a static value or something, or make the one as an owner. Let me see. So if we do this, B owner is equal to this. And we need to make sure that this thing is public. I forgot from where we can set that. Ah, here, modify. Protected internal. No, public. No. Now, in here, if owner, script wizard, owner, campaign CB, selected index is greater or equal 0, selected index selected fucking index. Great. So if I select this one, oh wow. So maybe isn't the code is in load? Nope, it's not in load. That's why. It didn't select it. Let's try again. Oh, because nice. Okay. Now we have the campaign. Kinda. We will make public campaign CCs. I believe if you select this and do this, so we will do something similar to this. Now what? Now, whenever I do here, if campaign selected index less than 1, return. Do I want to use data binding, or should I select the create new data for each every time? It seems if I create data binding, it will be lighter on the memory, especially when the micros go haywire large. But the thing is, I don't think micros can go haywire large because I'm not going to reuse large micro every time unless if deal with generation like random generations depending on seeds and stuff. Maybe in that case, maybe. But there are two questions: is it easier and is it smoother? It's all about trade-off. You see, if I create data binding prematurely whenever I select a campaign in here, it make the data structures for the creatures, the sounds and everything, and here I just need to bind a new control to that thing. I already did data binding for something, I forgot what, in my fucking large project. I can look into it again. So here when I have a script, let's just Google it. I could play around and try to find it, but let's just Google it. How to create a data source for combo box. I don't want a database. Can I use a list as a data source? Hmm. Don't you like codes like these? Yeah. Oh wow, this is really useful. So, okay. Hmm. Do you know what's the funny part is? I don't need to create these data sources, do I? Because I can take the references from the game core file and from the campaign directly. But wait, they are dictionaries most of the times. Hmm. I can use dictionaries, right? Well, I can turn the dictionary into the list, I believe. So let's take a look. So in here, we create TC data source is equal to CC conversation. Oh fuck. I need to know the conversation as well. Yep, I need to know the conversation as well. Okay. Look. Look. 1. Two. Can I do that? Please tell me I can do that. Maybe if I do this. Oh yeah, I need the object and event handler. I cannot take names, can I? Think it's the opposite. You cannot take the type. Okay. Think. Let's call it PC sender. PC object. This is totally not me, is it? I mean, scratching my head 24/7 is, but now how the fuck can I point to TC2? So I need to finish the code somehow. Can I give it a name? Even if I give it a name, what should I give it? This thing should be anonymous. No, not anymore. Maybe I should. Maybe I should make the conversations as well as public. But I don't think so, because there are many things that require such a thing. It requires a map, it requires a quest, it requires whatever. And if I do that, the micro doesn't save them either. Maybe I need to change how the micros works. Maybe I should design this on paper instead of immediately trying to tackle it. I don't know if it's advisable to change the name or not, but let me see. Actually, this is exactly what I want to try. I'm trying to do. I could put them in the dictionary, but I'm trying to avoid that. Yeah, I figured. I was planning to add it to this anyway. Really? Hmm. Because there are references and the code haven't left yet, do you think I can give them names now? Like TC1 name. CB plus. I hate you. I'm losing it. I'm really losing it. Hmm. This is a fucking panel, isn't it? Can I select it, please? Wait a minute, are you telling me this panel is... Oh, 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 it has some kind of flow layout or whatever. Oh, maybe I'll just make a go box. Actually, not myself the problem in the first place. I mean, if I make a low flow layout or whatever. I don't know, fucking clue. Okay, focus a little bit. Okay. The thing is, what's the layout? I used to love to program my own layout top down in Java, but I never used it in C# to be honest. And even if I used it, I used it 1 billion years ago, only once in a blue moon, mm, whatever that means. Nah. Okay, calm down. I need to scream more to wake up. Focus. Huh. Look at that. So cute. No, wait. It added them as well. Huh. And it worked. The binding worked, but the question is, yeah, the one of the problems we need to work with the layout to add like left to right. Then I need to know how to control the sucker. There are 1 billion problems here. We need to clean this one. Second, why it is 1 and 3? I only add 1 item, and yet the control consider it 2 for some reason. Oh, we only printed TC1. Why did it do it twice? Oh, because we have to script you. You have 2 tokens. Yeah, it's correct. It's fucking correct. Actually, it's working perfectly. So we need to make this one show in here. And this one show the value of only the name of the act. So we have to do a few things. So let me. We finish this. We finish this. Let the macros lay out, add components in lines, like more than one control in one line. Learn how the frickin' thing works. let the talker CV only show the conversation key. Add a select change event to the talker CP. No, to conversation. To change its talker CV content. No, context. We are going to give them names. So I'm running out of fuel. I'm running out of everything, and it's already night. Afternoon. No, not afternoon. Evening. It's already evening. I've been trying to work since 12 p.m. Made some chores. Worked around 3 hours, even though 6 hours passed. And I'm satisfied with what I done. I fixed the issues. I had the campaign. I made this thing work somehow. Even though I'm working like a slug, it was a happy slug. I wish if I returned to the table and add the things on the table and stuff instead of doing it like this. This is messy and unrewarding. I mean, I don't know what I've done the last month because I haven't recorded any of it. Well, complaint aside. Thank you for watching, Air, Genies, whoever.